Good afternoon. My name is Marcus Estrella and I am the Associate Director of Product Management here at MeritPress Company. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the installation procedure for our press product line. To start with, you want to make sure you have the right tools for the job. So first and foremost, PPE, hard hat, gloves, and safety goggles. Also want to make sure you use an appropriate tool, fully charged battery, and the correct jaw set for either copper or stainless. Most manufacturers identify the size, the material, and the pressing profile right on the jaw. Additionally, you want to make sure you have a tape measure and something to mark the pipe with for the correct insertion depth. And then all of the tools for preparing the pipe. Make sure you have an appropriate pipe and tube cutter, deburring tool, and any sort of sand cloth to remove any residual at the end of the pipe or tube. So today we're going to be discussing our copper press line. First thing you want to do when you take a look at your pipe or tube, make sure your ends are good. There's no burrs on the outside or the inside, as that can cut and slice the sealing element. Take a deburring tool, check the outside and inside diameters. Next, take a piece of sand cloth, just clean the ends, make sure there's no residual on the tube. Next, you want to mark the insertion depth on the tube. It does vary by diameter, so check the instructions. Insert the tube into the fitting, and you should still be able to see the insertion depth mark. Open the jaw, securely place the jaw around the fitting, make sure it is centered and straight, and then activate the tool. Release the jaws and remove the band. Thank you for watching today. Hope you learned a lot. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us here at MeritPress Company. Have a good day.